Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. We asked a doctor if people really need electrolyte supplements. Electrolyte supplements are marketed as essential for hydration and performance, but their necessity is questionable for most people. For exercise under 1 hour, plain water is sufficient for hydration. For longer, higher intensity exercise, electrolyte supplements can help replenish minerals lost through sweat. Electrolyte supplements can also be helpful for moderate diarrhea or vomiting to replenish electrolytes, but should not replace daily recommended electrolyte intake. Electrolyte supplements can be problematic for people with certain health conditions and should be avoided if they contain high sugar, artificial sweeteners, or excess minerals. For most people, regular meals and everyday hydration already provide adequate electrolytes, and the body is efficient at regulating electrolyte balance. Electrolyte supplements are only necessary in specific scenarios like endurance exercise, heavy sweating, or extended heat exposure. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak